How to make a woman chase you. Be confident but humble. Confidence is attractive, but it's important to strike a balance. Show your strengths and accomplishments, without bragging or being arrogant. Be humble and acknowledge your weaknesses as well. This shows that you are secure in yourself. You have a healthy level of self-awareness. Have a sense of humor. A good sense of humor can go a long way in making a woman chase you. Make her laugh, share funny stories. Enjoy light-hearted moments together. Laughter creates a positive and enjoyable atmosphere, making her want to spend more time with you. Be supportive and encouraging. Show genuine support for her goals, dreams, and aspirations. Encourage her to pursue her passions. Be there to celebrate her successes. By being a positive influence in her life, you become someone she wants to have around and chase after. Maintain a level of mystery. While it's important to be open and honest, don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave some aspects of your life and personality for her to discover over time. This creates intrigue and keeps her interested in getting to know you better. Show respect and treat her as an equal. Treat her with kindness, respect, and equality. Listen to her opinions. Value her input. Avoid any form of condescension or patronizing behavior. When she feels respected and valued, she will be more likely to chase after a genuine connection with you. Be adventurous and spontaneous. Plan exciting and unique dates or activities that break the routine. Surprise her with spontaneous adventures. Surprise with thoughtful gestures. This adds an element of excitement. Keeps her on her toes, making her more likely to chase after new experiences with you. Focus on self-improvement. Work on developing your confidence. Cultivate a positive mindset. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being. When you feel good about yourself, it naturally radiates and attracts others. Engage in activities that you're passionate about. Pursue your goals. Strive to become the best version of yourself. Another important aspect is to be a good listener. Show genuine interest in what she has to say. Actively engage in conversations. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage her to share her thoughts and feelings. By demonstrating that you value her opinions, you create a space for a deeper connection to form. Maintain a sense of mystery and independence. While it's important to be open and honest, avoid revealing everything about yourself right away. Leave room for her to be curious, intrigued by your personality. Additionally, maintain your own interests, hobbies, and social life. This shows that you have a fulfilling life outside of any potential relationship. Makes you more desirable. Flirting can also be an effective way to make a woman chase you. Use playful banter, compliments, subtle touches to create a sense of chemistry and attraction. However, it's crucial to read her cues. Respect her boundaries. Pay attention to her reactions. Adjust your approach accordingly. Lastly, be patient and give her space. Avoid coming across as too eager or desperate. Allow the relationship to develop naturally. Give her the opportunity to pursue you, if she's genuinely interested. Remember, healthy relationships are built on mutual attraction and effort from both parties. In conclusion, making a woman chase you is not about manipulation or control. It's about being the best version of yourself. Building a genuine connection. Allowing her the space to pursue you if she's interested. Focus on self-improvement. Be a good listener. Maintain a sense of mystery, flirt, and give her space. Ultimately, the goal is to foster a healthy, mutually fulfilling relationship based on genuine attraction and shared values.